welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is dokimazo. Dear friends, Erenehumin, peace be with you. This is Father Joel Camayas, Salesian of Don Bosco, and welcome to That's Greek to Me. Our word for today is dokimazo. In English, dokimazo means to test, to examine, to discern, to prove genuine. It's the kind of testing that reveals what is authentic and true. And St. Paul uses this word in 1 Thessalonians chapter 5, verse 21. Test everything. Hold fast to what is good. Alam niyo yung salitang yun, no? Pagsubok. The Christian life is not lived blindly. We're called to discern, to evaluate, to choose rightly. Pinag-iisipan natin yung ginagawa natin. And then in Romans chapter 12, verse 2, St. Paul exhorts, "Do not conform yourselves to this age, but be transformed by the renewal of your mind, that you may discern," dokimazo, "what is the will of God, what is good and pleasing and perfect." Here, dokimazo points us to an active faith that searches for God's will and embraces it. Dito nanggaling yung salita sa English na document, di ba? It traces back to the root. It's a proof or evidence that something has been tested and found true. Now, for us Christians, this word carries deep meaning in our life of faith. It's a reminder that faith requires discernment, testing spirits, choices, even ourselves, and then holding firmly to what is truly from God. Pinag-iisipan natin yung pinananampalatayaan natin, yung mga pinaniniwalaan natin. Tunay ba ito? The challenge is this. In a world of conflicting voices, especially now, punta kayo sa internet, ang dami-daming mga tinig kayo maririnig. So in this kind of world, do we simply accept everything? Or do we prayerfully test and discern, keeping only what is good and true? Friends, faith without discernment is blind. But faith with dokimazo becomes conviction, guiding us to live by what is genuine and pleasing to God. And that's our word for today. May these words accompany us as we grow in faith. Meron ba mga salita sa Biblia na mas gusto nyo maintindihan at malaman kung ano yung ibig sabihin nun? Pwede kayong mag-comment, magtanong kayo at sasagutin natin yan. And of course, I invite you to like, to share, and to subscribe.